Today we are fitting a log cabin for a young man who's looking for some extra space in his garden. We're trying to get this all done in one day so that it's a surprise for him when he comes back this evening. So you see the grand reveal. It's a bit difficult because it takes 4 to 5 men to fit the entire building, insulate it and make sure it's completely watertight before the end of the day. The young man's gone for West Ham colours, claret and blue, as you can see. The build has gone pretty well so far. We're currently just finishing up the last touches with the paintbrush and putting the roofing material on.
What's going on here?
It's early.
Wow! What do you think?
Thank you. It's my new home. Yeah.
It gives you a bit of independence.
Yeah.
You can learn some skills,
I
can't
can
you?
be more new. It's the damn colour.
Because Ben loves West Ham. They're his favourite football team.
Yeah. Because it's really good. I love it.
It'll brighten up the garden, that's for sure, won't
Yeah,
it?
the garden is there.
It's been a big upheaval for Ben to move to Norfolk.
Yeah.
And now he can feel at home
I'm
here
moved home now.
in your own safe little cabin.
Yeah, cabin, my little cabin now. Happy days.
Happy days, a
Bring the back
cabin.
for new and old happy times. The beginning.
New beginnings. It is
Yeah.
new beginnings.